Hey guys, this is James doing another video. I ain't done one of these in a while. I'm doing an unboxing video, and this will probably end up, I want to make a second channel. This will probably be where that ends up. But what it is 40 international flags. So let's take 20 in each box. So 2 separate videos. 40 international flags. Let's take a look at what we got. Flat 3x5, and they're all 3x5, by the way. Flag of Kenya, polyester. 3x5 flag of France, tricolor of France. Flag of South Korea. Flag of South Korea. These will all get individual videos, by the way. Flag of Germany, tricolor of Germany. Tricolor of Russia. Like I said, these will get individual videos. That's why I'm not actually too much going over them. Flag of Spain, 3x5. Flag of Japan, 3x5. Flag of Brazil. And when I do this, I'm going to talk about some Brazilian flag laws that could get you in trouble. Do break these laws in their country. Maple leaf of Canada, the flag of Canada, the current flag of the Canada. The old one had the Union Jack in it. This is a flag of Canada. Flag of Greece. Flag of Greece. Flag of Ethiopia. Flag of India. Flag of Mexico. And this will be about my third one of these. As I have one, and there may be another one in the other box over there. I don't know. I just received these for Christmas. Flag. Flag of Italy. Flag of Israel. And I hope to end up with 2 of these. Flag of Australia. Even though it looks like the flag of the United Kingdom, look at it in the box like this. This is the flag of Australia. The flag of China. The flag of the United Kingdom. These are outdoor flags, by the way. I've done a review on an indoor variation, United Kingdom and France. And finally, the flag box. The flag of the U.S., Old Glory, 3x5 stars and stripes. But this has been a unboxing of 20 out of 40 international flags. Like, comment, subscribe. We don't like, comment, and subscribe. This may end up a separate channel from my main channel. Okay, guys. See you later.